Once upon a time, there was a little boy. One day, he came back home and gave a paper to his mother and said, "My teacher gave this paper to me and asked me to give it only to my mother." His mother's eyes were tearful as she read the letter loud out to her child. It said, "Your son is a genius. The school is too small for him and does not have good teachers for training him. Please teach your child by yourself." This made the child very happy that he was a genius and even the teachers at his school could not teach him. From that very day, his mother started teaching him at their home, and the child was also learning and studying at a very good pace. After many years, when his mother died and he was now one of the greatest inventor of the century, one day, looking through the old family things, he found out that letter which he gave to his mother years back, and he was shocked to read the letter. It said, "Your son is adult," which means mentally ill. "We won't let him come to school anymore." He cried for hours, and that very day he wrote down a diary which said, "I was an adult child, but my hero mother made me the genius of the century." Yes, guys, this little boy was none other than the Thomas Edison, who was one of the greatest inventor of the century and invented the electric bulb. From this story, we have learned that one should never give up and one should be very confident. Remember, be it life, sports, career or any competition, any battle is won twice, but first in your head. Mental strength is the ability to handle pressure, stress and adversity. It's the ability to persist when the times are tough. It's a refusal to quit when all others give up. There's perhaps no better gift one can give to oneself than to build a strong, undefeatable mind. Sometimes things don't work. Sometimes you yourself don't feel like doing it. Or sometimes others are doubting you. Or sometimes it all seems far from the reach. But always remember yourself and tell, "I can and I can because I control my mind. And my mental strength is like no other, and that is why I will succeed." Your greatest obstacle and your greatest strength stare back at you in the mirror every day. The quality of life depends on which you feed the most. Which one is stronger? Which one are you feeding? You decide what your life is worth of. Remember, greatest battle of all the time was not fought in America or in India. Neither it was fought during the World War I or during the World War II. The greatest battle ever in the history is the battle of your mind. The mind decides everything. It decides your future. It decides what you need now. The world will imprison you. Others will suppress you and your dreams. What one cannot suppress or imprison is the power of your brain. So do not give up. Be transformed by renewing your mind. And remember, if you want to change the world, you need to change your mind. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm Garima Singh signing out from this video, and do not forget to give in your precious feedback, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and